Hi, I am going to show you one of our new products that's debuting tomorrow, March 1st. It's our Deluxe stand mixer, and it's available only to hosts, and it's 60% off. So normally $3.99, you'll get it for $159.60, and that's for the March price. In April, it comes off of that, and it's half price for hosts only. So if you need a good stand mixer, let's get this Deluxe stand mixer. It comes with this scraper blade, which I have on. Let me show you. It's got like a scraper, so you don't have to scrape down with a spatula. Put it back on and lock it. It comes with a whisk. I have made some whipped yogurt several times with this whisk, and other things too. You can make it, obviously. It comes with a dough hook, and this little shield is a great add-on. The bowl here is a little bit bigger than your regular bowl. I'm going to bring it down. I'm going to put this on. This is a great shield. It's a little add-on, but it's great to prevent splashing. So in here, I am making some chocolate cake mix cookies with peanut butter frosting. So I've got the cake mix, the eggs, and I don't want it to splatter. Something else is this is a smart mixer. So I'm going to turn it on first of all. That would be always good. There we go. So I need to turn this to mix. So we've got several presets, and I'm going to turn it to mix. And the preset is for 2 minutes and 30 seconds. I'm going to do it for 45 seconds. That's it. So I'll press that and change the time. Okay. 45, and I'm going to press it, and it's going to go. Now watch what's going to happen. Okay. It's going to start off sort of slowly. And then it's going to all by itself increase in speed. So again, it's only for hosts. We also have this, this comes off, so in the future we're planning to add other tools to this. So that's a great feature. Don't know what's coming out since this is barely out. Okay. Let's get this back on, or not, when it's in motion. Oh, there you go. All right, I'm gonna lift that, take this off. Okay, easy to get this off. Up and over, and take a look. My cake, my batter is done. So there we go. It's also got a carrying handle, but I'm going to stop this video and scoop it on to my cookie sheet now.